Important food is veg food and non-veg food is very bad for our health. You know, all the animals, their intestine how much long? Only this much. All tiger, your teacher, no? Okay, if somebody teacher here, they will know. त्यांचो गट आसा पळय very short. आमचो गट हांगासून लांब केलो थंय पावतलो. Am I right? आमची इंटेस्टाइन जर काडली जाल्यार लांब लांब ते पर्यंत पावतली. So there is long time given for body to digest the veg food. भितरल्यान बारीकान बारीक सगळे, because our internal intestine is so long that it absorbs everything from inside. Whereas when you take non-veg food like tiger and all, they directly throw it out. The absorption power is very less. So whatever required they will absorb and all other things will be thrown out. So important thing, because we cannot digest and whatever acidic food is absorbed in your body and that is circulating in your blood, and because of that you get all bones pain. Daha म्हणजे pain, daha म्हणजे heat gives pain. In our acupuncture science, what we treat is fire in that particular organ. When there is pain in the eyes, we treat the special points to remove the fire from your liver because connected. Whenever there is skin dryness and all, we treat the points which will remove your heat from the skin level because lung is connected with the skin. Our full body is having the biggest tissue is skin, and skin is connected with the atmosphere. Skin is connected to the pathogens of atmosphere pathogens. So whatever is there from outside to inside, all connectivity starts from the skin level. And what we got on the skin? Hair. Why hair is there? To sense the atmospheric condition. If it is hot, it will take to the brain, tell brain outside is a hot, so internal cooling system will start and you will find better. If you go to the cold countries, if there is chilling there, 1 or 2 days you are totally can adapt climate. When we go China, negative 15 degrees centigrade, 1-2 days पाण्यात हात घाला सुद्धा की water सोडोवपाक गरम पाणी घेवचें पडटा. There is so much chilled, and after second third day we go openly like that because body adapts. Internal hotness starts. Our hotness starts after our sensing, and what we do, people remove the hair. God given natural antennas we remove, then sensation is less. Attack is direct. When there is hair problem, hair उबे जाता. Am I right? कित्याक जाता? ते pores बंद करता. Pores बंद केले की hair उबे जाता. So coldness जो येवपाचो ताका block करता. Now girls are removing this hair. Most of the people remove this hair. So attack direct. Sensation antennas are removed. बायलांक चोर येता, ताका सेन्सर सगळे कॅमेरात बसयले, सेन्सर सगळे बंद जाले, चोर भितर येवन वतलो. बंद हेराम चलना, काढून उडयले कनेक्शन आमी. So our skin is sensitive because our hair is there. If we have removed hair, then we suffer. Now latest research that using this screen, sunscreen lotions gives rise to cancer because it absorbs from skin and takes to the blood and you get cancer. Now years you were not knowing about this. You are making people mad and now you are telling that this is bad. So these all lotions, whatever people are using for the face and all the things, whatever people are using nowadays, are the main reason behind your health problems. Why people don't understand this? बायलांक बरो पावडर थापलो आनी मेकअप केलो, थोड्या वेळान तो वाहून वचपाचो ना. Your beauty is in you. Your beauty is in your way of living. तुझो स्वभाव is your beauty. बरे दिसता आनी गाळी मारता, बरे दिसतले. चलयेक बरे दिसता, हिरोईन कशी दिसता. तू गेलो बरो लागी, ते गाडी मारूंक लागले बरें दिसतलें ना. So your beauty is in your character, not in the external beauty that is there only for some days. It doesn't have any sense. So whenever I tell you, be natural way of living is very important. आधी सगळ्यात थंडी जाली, जोर आयलो की घरा कडेन कितें करताले जाणट्यांक खबर आसतली. कितें करताले खबर आहा काय फॉगटन? हा कसाय इंटरनल जालो, एक्सटर्नल कितें करताले खबर आहा? भायल्यान बॉडीक कितें लायताले खबर आहा? मिरी. विसरले आमचे तुमच्या हातून येवं ना. मिरी काडटाले. जर कोणाकूय थंडी जाली जाल्यार बेस्ट मेडिसिन that from top till पायाची बोटाचे, don't keep even so much area open. Full मिरी काड वयरसून सकयल पर्यंत. Within 5 minutes you will find the water is coming out. Wipe it off and sleep with the blanket. If you got fever and everything, it will get vanished. Within next day you will be totally free. But this is 100%. But next day you should not go out anywhere outside your room. Only 2 days experiment. Third day you are free to go anywhere. No fever, no cold will affect you. In your children, if you use this, 100% next day you will be totally normal. Third day you can allow him to go out. Otherwise, this cold can take you 8 days, 10 days, 15 days, 20 days.
Doctor, this is round pepper?
Yeah, black pepper. आता तुमका जोरोची गरज ना, वाटची गरज ना. God has given you powder ready-made now. मिक्सरान घालून पावडर पेस्ट केल्यारूय जाता, नाल्यार ती पेस्ट करपाची, मातशी गरम करपाची, फुल तकलेक लावपाचे उदकान. आनी ते वयर पान लावपाचे. पेस्ट घेवपाची, हांगा लावपाची, ताचेर पान धापपाचे. पान म्हणजे कसले? एनी लिव्स, दसवंतीचे लिव्स बी आहा पळय, ते लिव्स घेवपाचे आनी वयर ते धापपाचे. वाय? बिकॉज दॅट इज बाय वी पॉइंट हियर विच ओल्ड पीपल वर नोईंग अबाउट दिस सायन्स. सो पुट दॅट paper so that it will not enter any exogenous factors, external factors will not enter inside, because this is the entry point. And then full body if you take, next day you are free. It will remove within 5 minutes. Water will start oozing out, all cold will come out and you will be free.
But the burning sensation is not there.
When you got cold, you will never feel burning also. व्याखण काढताले पहिली भुरग्यांक, that is one more. व्याखण, मिरी, hair, this is the actual way. Why this is the treatment? Because skin is full body is controlled by lungs. Skin is a mirror of lung. So when your lung so big, that much skin will be so big skin. So when you apply full skin, that stimulation of every point on the skin will stimulate your lungs inside and will throw your cold out. You understand? Your full skin, when you treat, you are treating your full lung. So if you not apply some area, that particular area of the lungs will not be stimulated. So because I told you, full skin of your body should be treated. There is one more option. If you don't know to these two, third option is Vicks. Which is there, that also you can use, because that also stimulates your full system, but that gives you cooling effect. You will have to take blanket and keep inside yourself till you get sweat. In midi you get sweat immediately, but in Vicks if you stay out, it will absorb the cold. So you will have to put Vicks vapor from top to bottom down when you get cold immediately. First day when you get cold attack, what you get, you know, ang musmusta म्हणतात. Something skin level you get problem, because wind attacks and cold attacks from the skin level. Then it goes and attacks your throat, then it attacks your lungs. Till the time you get this problem, if you treat first day when you feel that sensation of something I am getting bodily pain, like this is what out the people say, I get bodily pain. That particular time you apply Vicks or Miri and anything, then it will not attack your internal lungs. When you get sneezing, then you feel that it has entered your nose. From nose, then you get throat infection because your nose, that running thing goes from throat and that infects your this area. Then it will go in the lungs. By the time within 3-4 days, you will get the lung problem. Don't wait till that time. Then it is not possible to treat in one day. It will require several days of other treatment because it has got entered inside. शिमेरू बाहेर मारलो ताका पळय कारगिलान थंयच्या थंय केले की एंट्री ना भितर येवन एंट्री जावन मागीर वॉर जातले लायक तालिबान अटॅक इजी यू विल हॅव टू लिव योरसेल्फ यू आर गॉन सो ट्रीट व्हेन इट इज एक्चुअली once in the year or twice in the year you take castor oil laxative castor oil पयली सगळे जाणटे जाण आसतले वर्सान 2 सुटयो येताल्यो एक एप्रिलाची सुटी आणि एक ऑक्टोबराची सुटी दोनूय सुटयेनी घरान बाय फोर्स कॅस्टर ऑयल दिताले आमी धांवताले आतां आज भायलीचो टायम म्हणून आमकां कशें बी फोर्सान मागीर ते घालताले कॅस्टर ऑयल गरम करप आणि आल्याचो रोस घालून सुद्दां दिव येता तो डायरेक्टली 1 टीस्पून 2 टीस्पून जीवपाचे भुरग्यांक जाल्यार 1 टीस्पून जाणट्याला 2 टीस्पून घेवपाचे उलटी येता जाल्यार कितें लिंबाचे बी रोस चोखपाची कित्याक आतां तुमकां कॅस्टर ऑयल इज अवेलेबल विदाउट ऑल स्मेल सो देर इज नो प्रॉब्लम बट यूज स्मेल वन ओनली लेट इट सफर यू अंडरस्टँड एंड देन दॅट कॅस्टर ऑयल दोनदा यूज करप इन द इयर हाऊ इट वर्क्स यू नो इफ युअर एक्झॉस्ट सिस्टम सारखी आसा न्ही जाल्यार इनलेट सारखे जाता संडासाची जोडी सारखी ना इफ युअर गट इज नॉट क्लियर दॅट इज द रिजन व्हाय वी आर सफरिंग वी पुट ऑल थिंग्स रफ थिंग्स इनसाइड they stick everywhere it doesn't clear then their cells are not properly working so the gut is not clear so inlet जायना so you get lot of other health problems you know any car you seen any old movies कोणाची गाडी बी बंद करून जाल्यार कितें करताले फाटल्यान सायलेन्सर आहा पळय ताका गुड्डी मारताले कसली कितें काजळ बिजळ घालून गुड्डी मारताले गाडी स्टार्टूच जायना am I right so our engine doesn't start unless we go out throw out the things so cleaning of gut in 2 times in the year is must if you cannot take that at least you take iksha bedi ras is one of the medicine which got castor oil inside a tablet that you must take at night when you are going to sleep and then next day you will get motion clear if you want to take this type of tablet at least 4 times in the year
What is the name of the tablet?
iksha bedi ras iksha bedi I will give you iksha bedi ras it is a ayurvedic tablet which is a old preparation of 100 years old so that preparation clears your gut so without clearing your gut you cannot think of eating you will find whenever your motions are means the mind is relaxed संडास बरो जायना if you are not getting motion morning satisfactory till your mind satisfied full day you are not actually happy but when your gut is clear you feel happy because the things are moving clearly your health is very important if you keep internal things clear then only you can keep yourself healthy कळ्ळें कितें सांगता ते सो भायरी घेवप पयलींचे लोक घेताले Epsom salt is one of the preparation but it has got other side effects yeah because it is anyhow the different type of chemical which we were using before also
in school they used to give
Epsom salt or Andelwini these were two options were there in the olden days so people were preferring Epsom salt because there is no taste problem but one who were taking the particular castor oil is 100% successful reason सांगता when your oily things goes inside and castor oil has got effect of removing inflammation म्हणजे पेन काढपाचे काम करता सूज काढपाचे काम करता so wherever there is swelling inside your gut because of that oil going throughout the area, it is get absorbed and then you get swelling कमी जाता, सूज कमी जाता and you are functioning बरे जाता.
And what is
माझो आजो 100 years जगलो because he was taking regularly at night 1 teaspoon of castor oil. Castor oil you can use for your joints. Swelling आम सुद्धा जर swelling जाता नी त्या जाग्यार castor oil घाला लाया थंय you will find temporary relief because that is anti-inflammatory कमी जाता.
And what
Root
is
cause treatment I am not telling about.
No, but
It is a temporary effect. Temporary
the,
effect.
what is the dose you take of castor oil?
Yes, I told you for small children 1 teaspoon. If you are old age adults, you will take 2 teaspoons.
That's all.
Enough.
now that which has got better is castor oil.
Smell enough.
Then
See, whenever there is some effect of the smell is not effect.
No.
Particular component has got effect.
Yes.
But that is effective in the health.
smell one.
But it is giving you smell, but it has got that particular chemical asta by that is effective. So don't take that particular things म्हणता त्या खातीर सांगता. Don't take those who are available without smell.
Take with smell for better.
With smell. That is the original one.
It helps the swelling.
Yeah, it affects good for swelling. You understand? When you take it inside, it takes make the not only swelling, gurguristan urta, imaging. If you can take 2 or 3 teaspoon, next day motion चढ जातले, but that particular gut जे आहा नी ते सगळे गुळगुळीत जातले. So it is so much to anger oil हाताक लाय, धुपाक बरो शाप लावचो पडटा. It absorbs and becomes oily for longer time. So the gut becomes oily and whenever the things goes, it pass very easily. तुम्ही जर बॉम्बे बी गेला एसएन वर्ल्ड आणि नाटून गेला जर कित्याक आमच्या वॉटर किंगडम त्याला पायपांसून वचूंक मेळटा पण उदक सोडिल्लें आसता. उदक सोडिल्लें आसता कित्याक तुका स्मूथली वचूंक जाय म्हणून. सो वॉटर इज नेसेसरी और ऑयल इज नेसेसरी. सो ऑयलिंग ऑफ आवर गट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. आम्ही काळीचे ऑयलिंग करतात, सगळे ऑयलिंग करतात, पण आमच्या स्वतःच्या बॉडीचे ऑयलिंग करिना आमी. थंय टाइम घालयना. नेक्स्ट डे टॉयलेट जाता ते सांगता. नेक्स्ट डे मोशन्स हेवी मोशन जाता, वॉटरी मोशन. दॅट टाइम वॉट यू शुड डू दॅट आय एम टेलिंग यू. बडीशेप आसता पळय ताचे उदक करून जाय एक कुडीभर आणि एवरी आवरली दॅट हॉट वॉटर ऑफ बडीशेपीचे घेत रावूंक जाय. वॉट इट डज remove the gas from inside your gut. जेन्ना भितरल्यान सगळे क्लियर जाता नी तेन्ना एम्प्टीनेस उरता. See, there is lot of things in Ayurveda. What people were doing in olden days. See, my house is of all वैद्य घराणे म्हणतात ते आमचे. People were all aware of all these things, so we know. We have used that all the things. So I am behind the Ayurveda because that is actually keeps our health normal. So when the oily things goes, the gas, this all other things are removed. त्याचे आम्ही क्लॉक घालतात आणि ड्रेनेज क्लीन करता पळय तशे. So then you must remove that gas which is available there. So बडीशेपीचे उदक घेऊन जाय. बडीशेपीचे उदक घेतले उदक कशें संडास जातलो, पाणी कशें 1-2-3 दात पाणी कशें जालें, then you are free. Morning you should not take any heavy food. No heavy breakfast. You can take maximum a bread, not butter, bread. After you get at least 2-3 times motion where you feel yourself clear. It may take 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. You have taken late night, it will be later. If you take early morning, it will be soon. म्हणजे at least 2-3 वरां वता. म्हणजे सकाळी 8 बी घेतले जर if you take 8 o'clock till 12 o'clock everything is clear. Then you can take and then till evening you must take very light food. That is you must have to take पेज म्हणतात ती कंजी म्हणतात ते बॉइल्ड राईस निवड कुलिंग करता बॉडी. यू टेक इट फॉर 1 day so that till night you are snowpump because now everything is weaker inside, it is cleared there. So if you eat more then it will make the problem inside. So you must take that full day care that you take very light food. रवा बी करतात पळय, रवा विथ मिल्क किंवा दूध घालून रवा करतात तशें बी घेवपाचें. 1 day क्लियर करपाचें. दिस इज one method of cleansing yourself and keeping yourself healthy. You understand? Second method, do fasting full day at least once in the 6 months, once in the 4 months. Do full day fasting, take only water or coconut water full day. If you don't have diabetes, coconut water for diabetes is no problem, but still some may have the tension. So take water full day till night, do the fasting. आम्ही फास्टिंग म्हणून आसा न्ही आमच्या धर्मान सगळ्या आमच्या हातून फास्टिंग करता श्रावण दिस मंथ इज फास्टिंग ओके तुमच्या हातून फास्टिंग करता सगळ्या हातून फास्टिंग आहा बट व्हॉट वी डू फास्टिंग
Different type of food.
तुमचे फास्टिंग जाले मागीर इस्टर येता इस्टराच्या पयलीं आय वॉज गिविंग टॉक फॉर ऑल कॅथलिक पीपल that is the Easter day where you suffer. Fasting केले you are totally emptying yourself if actually fasting करता जाल्यार if you are eating and fasting that's different. And then if you take Easter fall non-veg and all the worst food then you are making yourself suffer. We are handling every year after Easter lot of patients from catching having lot of health problems. Because on Easter day you eat all the things which is not to be taken. So one month you are doing fast and then you take all that day particular you should not take anything light food you should take but you are taking the strongest food and that makes the Catholic people more sufferers. Now this is a Shravan महिना म्हणतात पळय this Shravan everywhere in Hindus they make fasting. You know what is the reason behind it? In our Hindus you know it is the actually religion where the all Vedas all the thing knowledge as per the science body science is in the Vedas. So whatever in Hindus culture is there it is not culture it is a scientific way of living. So this is the time when the fields शेत लायता पळय when you plant all this हे करता तो grow जाता particular time when growing time is the Shravan महिना. This month is the time where the cultivation starts. There is no work for the farmers now. So no work for the farmers. So what farmers will do? They will do all wrong things. They will go for jugaad, club, drinking, all these things they will start doing and all. So they will be spoiling their health and everything, wealth and everything, because they are free time. That time this all Shravan Mahina, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, everything, Saturday, all the things they are kept busy in doing this. So they will not go for bad things. So they are protected by dharma to do this so that their health and wealth will be protected. Otherwise in this free time they will be going the all the drinking and they सगळे करताले वाट लागले. So this fasting because they don't have work so their body should not take more food. If you take more food you must work but if you are not working no work is there then your body should be taken less food. So fasting is designed. Fasting is taking less food. You know why we are sufferer? We require so much food. आमच्या घराकडे भाव बी इतके जेवताशी सगळे जाण हांव इतके जेवता हांव सगळा हेल्दी आनी सगळ्या धावपळी खंय धावपाक खंय हांव फुडें because eating less whatever required that much body needed. आता हांव आनी हेल्दी दिसता कित्याक ह्या 4-5 days I started only green salad and boiled vegetable. So whatever necessary energy is required is there. So energy wasting is not there. So weakness is not there. So I am feeling ample amount of energy. As maka kon paita gadi sir doctor he was asking me no he was asking when I have done so much treatment and I was going out he was staying behind he said you are still looking very active and energetic. Am I right? Yes. Reason is this because I am eating the things which is required and that much energy I am using. So energetic food which gives you energy. You know wrestler they eat around this chicken around 16-17 chickens. Yeah, am I right? Per day. So those wrestler एक kick मारली जरा wrestling पाहिला तुम्ही you see wrestling on the TV and all एक किक मारली की तो पडटा 3 मिनिटां लागता उबो जावपाक परत एक मारलो पडलो म्हाका 3 मिनिटां वयर मेळो जाल्यार तो स्ट्रॉंग परत दुसऱ्याक मारतलो. And see kusti this wrestling of Maharashtra in Kolhapur district our Indian kusti Rustling, you see. 1 hour they will fight, but they will not be weak. They will continuously fight because they are eating wet food.